Magic ink allows you to do some really cool things. So let me show you what it can do, and I'll also show you how. So I've got these two here, and what I want my students to do, I want them to guess what the name of a six-sided shape is. So I'm going to take my word, and as it's on the bottom screen and I've got my shape on the top screen, it will hide behind it. Then I'm going to come over into my tools and use Magic Ink. So what Magic Ink essentially does is it only rubs out what's on the top layer. So what I can now do is, my students are looking at this, they're not too sure what it's called, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start to rub out. But as you can see, it's only rubbing out the top layer, it's not rubbing out what's on the bottom layer. So now we've got a HE and an X. Can we now guess what the shape might be, for instance? Okay, so that's one way of using it. There's plenty of other ways of using it. Really nice and easy. Just make sure what you don't want deleted is on the bottom layer and what you do want deleted is on the top layer. Grab the Magic Ink pen and then you can start rubbing out. Okay.